Hi, how to print multiple file types as one print job. So normally when you print, say, example, 6 files like this, different file types, PDF, Word documents, TXT files, image files for example, they all come out on the printer as separate files. Now to print these all as one, what you can do in Batch and Print Pro, you can select this checkbox here, print PDFs as one file. So that will just do the PDFs together if they're in succession in the list. But for other file types as well, what you can do is you go into conversions options in options menu. You can convert what file types you want to print as one. So in that case, set to do Word documents and image files. So now when I print, it will convert and append them all together. So you get them all together in one print output. So you've got all the merged files above now all in one print. So 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 44 pages, all as one print. So that's a good way of getting all your files into one print.